Have you ever wondered if your cybersecurity measures are up to par in this rapidly evolving digital landscape? Do your current security protocols provide an effective defense against the myriad of threats lurking in the shadows of the internet? If these questions have crossed your mind, it's high time we delve into a revolutionary approach to cybersecurity, the Zero Trust Security Architecture. Imagine your organization's network as a castle. Traditional security measures act like the castle's outer walls, protecting everything within. But what if an enemy gets past these walls? They would have free rein to wreak havoc. This is where Zero Trust comes into play. Instead of a single wall, Zero Trust operates on the principle of never trust, always verify. It's like having an individual guard for every room in the castle, meticulously checking credentials before granting access. Zero Trust Security Architecture isn't just about adding more layers of security. It's about intelligently verifying every individual and device trying to access your network, whether they're inside or outside your organization. It provides a comprehensive and nuanced approach to security, acknowledging that threats can come from anywhere and anyone. In a world where cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated and damaging, adopting a zero-trust security architecture isn't just an option, it's a necessity. It's about safeguarding your organization's sensitive data and assets, protecting your customers' trust, and ensuring the smooth running of your operations. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I implement this? And that's where Stealth-ISS Group comes into the picture. Stealth-ISS Group offers tailored cybersecurity solutions that simplify the complex world of information security. Their team of hands-on experts is ready to help you implement and improve your security projects. Stealth-ISS Group doesn't just provide a one-size-fits-all solution. They understand that every organization is unique with its own set of challenges and requirements. Therefore, they provide customized security measures, combining extensive security analysis experience with proprietary technology to deliver fast, accurate, and cost-effective results. So why wait? It's time to fortify your cybersecurity measures with Zero Trust Security Architecture. Reach out to Stealth-ISS Group today and take the first step towards a more secure future. Embrace the never trust, always verify principle and ensure that your castle is well guarded, no matter what threats may come your way. Remember, in the realm of cybersecurity, it's better to be safe than sorry.